A is for avocado. 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 A is for avocado. B is for broccoli. 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 B is for broccoli. C is for carrot. 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 C is for carrot. D is for daikon. Daikon. D is for daikon. E is for eggplant. 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 E is for eggplant. F is for French beans. French beans. French beans. F is for French beans. G is for garlic. 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 G is for garlic. H is for hot pepper. Hot pepper. H is for hot pepper. I is for iceberg lettuce. Iceberg lettuce. Iceberg lettuce. I is for iceberg lettuce. J is for jalapeno. 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 J is for jalapeno. K is for kale. K is for kale. L is for lettuce. Lettuce. L is for lettuce. M is for mushroom. Mushroom. M is for mushroom. N is for napa cabbage. Napa cabbage. Napa cabbage. N is for napa cabbage. O is for onion. Onion. O is for onion. P is for potato. Potato. P is for potato. Q is for quinoa. Quinoa. Q is for quinoa. R is for radish. Radish. R is for radish. S is for spinach. Spinach. S is for spinach. T is for tomato. Tomato. T is for tomato. U is for ube. U is for ube. V is for vegetable soup. Vegetable soup. Vegetable soup. V is for vegetable soup. W is for watercress. Watercress. W is for watercress. X is for xylocarp. Xylocarp. X is for xylocarp. Y is for yam. Yam. Y is for yam. Z is for zucchini.